Okay, Vukli, so tá Isagriv, Káltá a Déanamh, so tá so chuir na chéile, so chuir scur agus taith na chéile, scríb na ceire focail ón liste, so tá sé anna éisce, tá sé sibh déinte gcuid, agus cén S a bhíonn ar chalín, so cén S a bhí ar chalín, okay? Cén B a bhíonn I do chás peann luí, okay? B. Cén B a itheann tú, B. Cén S a bhíonn ag obair I siopa, okay, so it's a long one. Cén C a itheann tú. So these are all part of our words from earlier on in the week, so you should know these. Agus on Quira, so some of you have read this out for me on Class Dojo, but a lot of you haven't, right? So I need you to read this out in Class Dojo. You get 5 points for this. So read it out in Class Dojo. It's very simple for 5 points. Okay, that's it. And once you have that read, then on fear no bréagach, alright? So tá bretla níamh ag teacht. So I will bretla níamh ag teacht. So a níamh a cara. So bretla líam a bheith ann. So an bhfuil bretla níamh ag teacht. Níl sé. So tá sé bréagach. So we're going to put down bréagach, right lads? So bréagach. Okay, bréagach, right? Beg líam né mlína dísh. So check. An bhfuil siad né mlína dísh. Beg kosher líam an luúin an raibh an bhfuil sé an méid sé ar luúin. Beidir. Beg kosher líam ag an rinka scatála. So is the party going to be on the skating rink, right? So fear no bréagach. Beg kosher líam ag tosú ar a seachta clog. So Liam's party is starting at 7 o'clock, is that right? So fear no bréagach. Okay, so fill that in online. And then on seo, freigar na ceistena, right? So cén bretla atá ag teacht. Okay, so cén bretla atá ag teacht. So whose birthday is coming, right? So whose birthday? So you can get that straight from the text. So bretla líam a bheith ann, alright? So you just write that in. So bretla líam a bheith ann, okay? Cén ish a bheith líam. Now, here's our verb. So bheith, here's our verb. So, cén ish a bheith líam. So, beg me né mlína dísh. So, instead of me, we're going to put in what? Because me is me. So, am I 9 years old? No, I'm not. So, beg, remember capital letter for B? Beg. Beg, Liam. So Liam. Né, so né. Dot. Okay. Cén lá a bheith kosher Liam. Okay. So we know our verb beg. So will. So beg kosher gum. Agus cén lá de Saharan, right? So beg kosher gum de Saharan. Okay, so it should be very easy. Beg kosher gum de Saharan. Cén town a beg an kosher ag tosnú. Okay, so our answer is actually in this already. So beg an kosher ag tosú so AR era. What time? So beg an kosher ag tosú a cuig a clog. Alright? So we have beg an kosher ag tosú. We put in air inside there. Okay? So we put in a or just inside there in between that. And then a small a, because that's the start of a sentence there. So a small a, a cuig a chlog, right? So at 5 o'clock. And the last one, cén town a bheith an kosher ag creek new. Same thing again. So beg on kosher egg creek new. Now we get rid of the H though. That's the only thing. We get rid of the H. Okay, get rid of the H. So beg on kosher egg creek new. Air. Remember, air at. So that means at. So air at shot at club. Right? So it's very simple, lads. You shouldn't have any problems with it. They're the only questions you have to write down. And if you haven't read it out, read the story out, right?